Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking monster wings, otherwise known as turkey wings. You get to enjoy wings, but on a bigger scale. To start, add your wings to a bowl. Season with your choice of rub. I'm using my basic chicken rub recipe. You'll find the link in the description. Add the rub to the turkey wings and mix it through until they're fully coated. Next, you'll need a lighter chimney or charcoal. I'm using clean heat charcoal. Set up the barbecue for indirect grilling. Have it sitting around 175 Fahrenheit or 350 Celsius. Add your choice of wood. I'm using wood from SA Barbecue Woods. Lay out the turkey wings opposite the charcoal. Cover with the lid and let them cook for 35 minutes. Turn over the wings. For this next step, I'm using my homemade barbecue sauce. You can find the recipe link in the description. Brush the wings with the barbecue sauce. Cover with lid and cook for another 5 minutes. Brush the wings again and cook them for 5 more minutes. Turn over the wings and give the wings one final coat before covering and cooking for the final 5 minutes. These are looking fantastic. Take them off and they're ready to serve. There you have it, monster wings, aka turkey wings. These wings are juicy and tender, and with turkey wings you get a whole lot more. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.